Hey, Steve Polini with Bob's Machine Shop here. I want to show you one of our really cool products. This is our headrest camera mount. It goes on any two-post headrest for a car. Right now, coronavirus going around, I think it's a great time for you to go out, work on your social media, your YouTube. A lot of us are at home. So I thought this would be a really cool video to show you real quick how easy this is to install and get some video for you. So first you're going to remove your headrest from your car and you're going to adjust it to fit properly. So with an Allen wrench set, you're going to use your 3/16 to loosen up the 4 adjustment bolts. Side. Actually, on this particular one, this is a Dodge Ram. We're going to have to go ahead and remove this puck and flip it around to make it a little closer. Real easy. Just remove two of the screws, and then you flip it over. Little set screws in the way. That over. Now we can go ahead and tighten that up. So now that we have it lined up, we can go ahead and tighten the set screws. I just want to show you on these. There's 2 of them, one for either post. You can see this, they're actually a nylon tip on these. So it's not going to mar or damage your headrest. So you can go ahead and put this on. So simple. You install it at a boat ramp. It comes with a universal cell phone adapter as well as a GoPro mount. So let's go ahead, put the headrest back in the car and get some video.